What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video we're going to be going over DEGEN and JASMY, my two favorite small cap altcoin plays, and I'm going to be bouncing around from those two to stablecoin dominance just to check in on what it's doing, how we're looking. We know the levels, and so if you like today's video, drop a like, hit that sub button, and leave a comment where you're tuned in from. Really helps out the channel. So alright, we got DEGEN here on the daily chart, and boy oh boy oh boy, right, we are fighting to get above this 3451 level. We are fighting. We are trying to get above it. We are resting right below it. Time is nigh, right? Time is knocking on the door. We got to figure out what we're going to do. It's Thursday, right? It's Thursday. We got today, tomorrow. Price action over the weekend isn't the most reliable, consistent. Usually it's a bloodbath, and even if it is green, it usually reverses on Monday. So it's so unreliable. And so we got today and tomorrow to figure out, can we close above this trend line and just give us some more hope moving forward. I gotta adjust that. I don't know why it wasn't touching. Let me see, did I move it on accident? I guarantee you I did. There we go. I like that. Alright, cool. So if we're looking at this weekly, right, we're just sitting right at the tip of this. Right? I mean, this is what are we gonna do, right? This is why we have the levels, right? This is why we have the levels. This is huge, right? We're at 3445 right now. This yellow horizontal line of support is at 3432, right? So we're sitting right here, right? We're just waiting for a large move. What's that large move entail? All right, let's get into it. Large move entails moving up to around 1.5 cents, right? 1.5 cents minimum target, 1.5 cents up to that 2.1 cents. But it's a small cap meme coin, so we're aiming big, right? We're thinking big on this just next move, one straight shot move. I'm thinking this 4272 to this from this 2618 up to this 4272 up to this 2.1 cents to 3.3 cents. Just for the next move, right? This is a super small cap meme coin. It's the largest meme coin on base, so it's reliable. It's survived this downtrend, and I was like, you know what? This survived this. I'm gonna start adding through this zone, and so I've just been accumulating through the zone, kind of just seeing what we can do with this. So we are sitting right above this. It's actually on the weekly, right? We're interacting with this trend, with this horizontal line of support. I want to see if we get a bounce, right? This area we've come through right here, saw a large move. Come through right here, we saw a move, right? Came through right here. What did we see? Nothing really, right? Nothing really. So, I'm hoping that we can get above this, because this moving average now is lower. Right, this moving average is lower, so maybe you get up, bounce, and go. Something like that. Sorry, my lines are absolutely terrible. I am a child. I cannot draw. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. All right, this 45.90, we are coming down a little bit. So closing this week like this would actually be all right. If we can close like this, if we can close above this 3432, that wouldn't be bad actually. It wouldn't, because then we're testing this line. Are we going to interact with it and do something with it? We shall see. Okay, so overall, let's see on the daily. Right, on the daily, get rid of this, kind of just a lot of lines. Yeah, so we're sitting right below that 34551 level that we have an area of interest on. Right, we're kind of just bouncing right through this, right? Area of interest. We're just bouncing. Are we gonna get? I mean, this does look good, right? This is kind of what you want to see. Candle. This bearish candle tried to engulf us and it couldn't, and then we pushed it back up. We could see tomorrow close red, honestly. if I'm thinking what I'm thinking. Yeah, it came down pretty much to the 618. Where is this gone? Almost, what did that, right up to the 886? Right above the 886. Closing. Right, we're trying to close above this 382. If we can close above this 382, that's good. That's good. That 3445. And then, I mean, this does kind of look like another three-wave move. Like, I think, you know, we can get another small leg down. All right, that would put us down, though. That would put us down around, you know, 3136. We'd have a lower low. Higher low overall, lower low on the price. I'm sorry, I was looking at the 2618. The 1618. I'm sorry about that. Right, you know, you'd come down, you'd take out all of this, and then you'd bounce actually right where you bounced last time. Right where you bounced last time. So that's kind of the new area where I think we're gonna go to. This 285 area, I don't see it unless we see just a flash crash. So this 1272 area, I mean, you can go from the 1 all the way down to the 1272. 1 to the 2272. The most common areas are the 1272 and the 1618, especially on the smaller time frame. And so I just don't see us coming down to this 2.8 level unless we get a serious flash crash, double bottom, we come back, interact with this again, then move up. I'm just going to throw another one on here. 3291. All right. Just areas of interest. I might, you know, I'll probably be at, if we come down, you know, again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if we come down through, you know, this 3290, I'll be looking to add, and then, you know, the last place I'll be looking to add is down at this 2895 area. So yeah, worst case scenario, right? Worst case scenario, you come down, you just flash crash down, and then you rip. Do we have an example of that before ripping? Alright, we're coming down, and I mean, yeah, I guess we were kind of trying to hold this, and then just slam down, and then just started to go on a run. And so overall, where are we on the RSI? I mean, this looks, if I'm being honest, this looks better than XLM. If you watch the XLM videos, this meme coin looks better than XLM, straight up. We're actually postured in a way to cross above our moving average. We're coming down, we're getting close to this area, this pinnacle, this just the tip of the spear, right, ready to move. And so yeah, this looks good. This looks better than what XLM looks like. We are above the moving average on the, wow, this actually looks way better than XLM. We're above the moving average. That's good. That's very nice. And so what are we going to do with it? Who freaking knows, right? Who freaking knows? We are, I mean, this looks really nice actually. We're up right here. We've come up, right, and we're just going sideways. Right? We're not just coming up and shooting right back down, not climbing up and then shooting right back down. We're kind of doing something like this where we're kind of just going sideways. We did end up shooting down, but we also are doing something like this where we're just going sideways and then you shot up. Alright, so going sideways isn't bad. It's not a bad situation to have, right? Especially when you've already been going down, right? Just going down, right? So we've come up, go sideways. We kind of did drop. We did drop, right? We dropped and then we ripped, right? We were getting ready to rip. But right here, we were going up, sideways, up. Okay? So going sideways is not the worst case scenario. So I like when we actually just go sideways because it gives us time to build. It gives us time to build some momentum and actually get above an area and stay above it. So it's like, okay, so we're building confidence that we can actually close above an area. What we did, we actually closed right on this area, this 3451 level. I mean, what did we close at right here? We opened at 3454, right? So this area is huge, right? And like I said, we could be just ping-ponging back, this trend line from the weekly. We're just ping-ponging back and forth. We're coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down. We're just interacting with this. Broke out? No, we didn't. Rejected, right? Rejected. Oh, we're back up. Oh, rejected. Oh, we're back up. So sooner or later, we're gonna have to make a decision, right? Because this is a broadening wedge. If you really think about it, this is a broadening wedge, and I want to get above this and then start chewing this up and get above this area, just like this, something like this, right? Get above here, do this, like this, and then go, something like that. Right, something like that, where you're getting above the 20, bouncing off, right? Get above the 50, kind of come down below. I didn't draw it to scale, if I'm being honest. If I didn't draw it to scale, so come up, bounce, come up, bounce, come up, right? Something like that, bounce and then go. So that would be nice, right? Just getting above this trend line and then breaking out, right? Back testing your breakout. Right, you got to back test your breakout. So, but yeah, so DEGEN looks good. DEGEN looks really good, actually. Did I check the 4 hour, actually? I didn't check the 4 hour. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. This will be quick. Oh yeah, this is nice right here. We're just going sideways. We're going sideways now, which is nice, right? It's going nice. We've stopped. We got to get away from the scene of the crime, right? We've come down, go sideways, right? We came down, came up, sideways, and then we started to move, right? So, and the next move could be the move, right? This is just a fake out move. The next move could be the move, right? Could be the move. I mean, look at this. Let's close. Man. Oh man, this looks nice. Let's close above this trend line right here. Let's close above this. This is huge, huge, absolutely huge. Yeah, but it's nice. This is looking good. Stay above this. Let's go over to JASMY. Ooh, JASMY looks good too, and these small altcoins are looking better than the big altcoins. I'll be covering Chainlink and Crow after this video, but this looks really good, right? We've come up, kind of oscillated down, right? Let's do this. Let's do this. What are we doing right here, right? What are we doing? Let's get an area like that. Only on the 4 hour. Let's do something like this. Alright, let's do something like this. And then let's do something like this. Something like that. Settings, 4 hour, 4 hour. We don't need to extend it left. Don't need to extend it left. Alright, so let's see what we do with this, right? Let's see what we do with this. Did we come down to get some momentum to break out? Hey, that would be nice. That would be nice. So yeah, JASMY is looking good. Man, I just wish XLM looked so much better. It doesn't. It really doesn't. Look at this. This is nice. Alright, it's nice. It's very nice. Got a higher low. What are we at for price? 1501, 1513. Okay, we got a higher low in RSI, higher low in price. Do we have a lower low? 477, 473. Yeah, we do have a lower low in RSI. Do we have a lower low in price? 1532, 1523. Yep, cancels out bearish divergence. Man, this looks good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's run, rock and roll, baby. This looks good. JASMY looks good. JASMY looks healthy. JASMY, right? We're looking. We're above 1501, right? These are the levels we have. So we're looking up. We are looking up. We are definitely looking up. And so this 16 cents. I wish. Gosh damn. 1.6 cents to this 1.65 cents, right? We get above this and we're targeting the trend line, and we're targeting our weekly open. Well, boy, this looks good. This really looks nice. I'm excited to see how this closes. Let's see what we're looking. Oh yeah, this looks nice. This looks good, right? This almost looks like a 1-2-1-2. Right, this almost looks like a 1-1-2-1-2, right? We've come up, came down, came up, come down. Now what are we doing with this right here? What are we doing with this? Are we coming up again? We came up, we're gonna come down one more time. Test it one more time. Alright, test it. Uno más, uno más. Alright, we're sitting on that 0.5. Okay. Let's stay above this 618. If we stay above this 618, right, that'd be really nice. I mean, honestly, to stay above 1501. Stay above 1501, and we're still bullish because the 786 is right below that. So we can just be resting right on there. Yeah, I could see us do that. I could see us, you know, we've come up. I could see us do this, right? Come down, and then shoot up, get above there, something like that. All right, so man, JASMY looks good. DEGEN looks good. I'm feeling confident in these. Overall, what kind of correction did we see? Where can we see us going? Yeah, I'll do that 1272. Right, 127. Right, so you typically go to the 1618. The 1272 is you know, your first area of your targeted area. If you're, you know, if it's a strong move, you can come down to that 2272. Right, that's kind of like whoa. 2618, you're just crashing at that point. So 1272, right? We come down to that 1500, that 1.5 cents area. That's where the 786 is, right? There's a lot of area for area of interest down at this 1501 level. So as long as we're staying above this, we're bullish, right? So have those marked. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but yeah, JASMY and DEGEN look great. They actually look really good. Let me go check out. Look at this thing. So if you're subbed to the channel, you know that we monitor stablecoin dominance, and this 1.6 area is just being flirted with, man. This 1.6 area is being flirted with. We were just, you know, we started above it, we came down below it, we came back above it, we came back below it. Right? This market makers know what they're doing, right? They know what they're doing. They're just messing right now with us. We had this marked for weeks, not weeks, but I had it marked for weeks before the channel. Just an area to think of where I think we're going to go, right? I think we're going to, you know, just bounce off, reject, and then start moving down. So overall, it looks good. Looks good. Everything looks good. So if you like today's video, drop a like, hit that sub button, leave a comment where you're tuned in from. You know, I really appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Okay? Drop it in the comment section. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.